What drives someone to hack? What fuels their relentless pursuit of breaching the impenetrable, crossing lines, and bending the digital world to their will? They've been labeled as criminals, vigilantes, and even heroes. But the truth is, their motivations are as diverse as the methods they use. So, let's dive deep into the world of hacking, a world that's as fascinating as it is dangerous. Some hackers, they're in it for the money. Cybercrime is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Stolen credit cards, personal identities sold on the dark web, ransomware attacks that hold entire corporations hostage. For these hackers, it's all about the financial gain. Ransomware, a modern pirate's treasure chest. Hackers lock down systems, encrypt data, and demand payment in anonymous cryptocurrency. It's a game of risk with millions of dollars at stake. But for others, hacking is more than just a paycheck. It's a personal challenge, a test of skill, an obsession to break through the toughest defenses, simply to prove they can. For these hackers, it's about reputation, prestige, recognition within their underground communities. Imagine a virtual battlefield where the prize isn't gold, but respect. And once you're in that circle, your status as a legend is cemented. Then there are the hacktivists. For them, hacking is a weapon for change. It's about disrupting the establishment, making a statement, or exposing corruption. They target governments, corporations, and institutions, not for money or fame, but to amplify their cause. Hacktivism isn't just digital vandalism. It's the new frontier of protest. Whether it's leaking classified documents or exposing corporate scandals, these hackers believe the internet is their battleground. But sometimes it's personal, revenge, a former employee, a disgruntled competitor. And these hackers don't want fame or money. They want payback. They sabotage systems, delete critical data, and cause chaos, all for a vendetta. And then there's the silent players, state-sponsored hackers, espionage agents. Their mission? Steal trade secrets, gather intelligence, and even influence elections. These hackers operate in the shadows, backed by powerful nations. The stakes are higher, and the consequences global. From corporations to governments, no one is safe. In this game, knowledge is power, and the hackers are winning. But not all hackers are villains. Enter the white hat hackers. These ethical hackers use their skills to protect, not harm. They hunt down vulnerabilities, patch security holes, and defend the digital world. Their reward? Keeping you safe, one line of code at a time. Hackers exist on both sides of the law. The lines between good and evil are thin and often blurred. So why do hackers hack? The truth is, their motivations are as varied as the methods they use. From money and revenge to activism and exploration, hacking is a world where anything is possible, and no system is truly safe. Want to know more about how these hackers operate? Stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll dive deeper into the methods and tools that make them unstoppable. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the deeper we dive, the more we reveal. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe,